The whole vision is one university, multiple campuses. It doesn't matter where you are, your scholastic experience should be seamless. The challenge is making sure that students attending USF who are digital natives get that experience that you're expecting to from what is considered a preeminent university in the state of Florida.
Administrative structure we've set up for student success touches all aspects of the undergraduate student's journey, from the first contact by a recruiter to career advisors, academic advisors, counselors, coaches. We collect a whole lot of data, but we often don't know how to use it. We don't know how to access it. Card swipes at campus recreation, for example, to, of course, attendance data, login data on our LMS system. We have to figure out ways in which we can use that data and technology to identify individual student needs and figure out who is the best person or unit to deliver the support they need at the right time.
The core challenge of digital transformation is really the devil's in the details. The university is not a software company. We're in the business of teaching students and enabling faculty to do research. Our work with Dynamics is going to allow us to do that.
Our partnership with Microsoft, what we were really looking for was something that could totally transform the Office of Admissions. A system where I can really dive deep into the academic profile and not just make a decision based upon GPA and SAT scores, not just look at their engagement with the university, and not just look at their co-curricular profile, but look at them all together.
Rather than using traditional marketing tools to reach those students, we're going to work to identify groups of students, messages that apply to those groups of students, and then use the Microsoft tools to deliver those messages.
We really wanted a system that could grow with us and grow with our university, and something that could be transformational, and this was our choice for the Microsoft Dynamics CRM.
We have to absolutely disrupt ourselves, because if we don't disrupt ourselves, somebody else will disrupt us and we would not like the outcomes. With whom you partner tells a lot about you. Partner with a company like Microsoft, making sure that we stay up to date in technology and at the cutting edge.
It's really a thought partnership on what is it you guys want to achieve at USF with a focus on making the students' lives better and the faculty's lives better. So that when the students come in or the faculty come in, they're not looking at a plethora of different solutions, but really a seamless experience of an ecosystem. And that's really been our focus.
I want everybody to be able to see that vaunted, that dreamed of 360-degree view of each and every student. And honestly, I think that this partnership has the opportunity to deliver on a good bit of all of that.
The connection of Dynamics to teams. And so we envision that we will know them when they were in high school, and we will know them when they're an alumni.
If I could summarize what we're really trying to accomplish here, is we're looking for a young man or young woman academically prepared in high school, who's going to then enter this university, become fully engaged with this university, and become involved with this university. And a student who actually belongs at this university, who when they graduate is going to be on their path to greatness in life.